Hey Fabbers, this week's look is the hybrid links. The hybrid links is micro links around and in the front and a seamless sewing in the middle. Now this is not a sewing, guys. This is a seamless sewing, so it's not gonna be bumpy, no humps, no lumps, super flat and super natural. This is for the girl who wants to do micro links, but she doesn't want the commitment of all her hair out. Maybe she works out or her hair is kind of short, or she wants that fuller Beyonce look. This is perfect, and you still get the micro link look. It lasts about 3 months. She can still pull her hair in a ponytail and switch her part out. And see, it's super natural. It's that natural micro link look. It's still not that sewing unbelievable. See, we did a bun, we did a ponytail, and here I am styling it, just giving it some loose body curls, and it still looks so natural, guys. As you can see, she can pull it up and do all the things that the versatility that the girls like. It's microlinks. The thing that people like microlinks and want to get it is the options. We want options, and this install gives you just that. So check it out, guys, and sign up for my next class.